Hola, cuñadas, how are you today? I'd like to give a special hello to the Dick's Last Resort. Hola to you people. I used to work there. I was a food runner, and I bust tables, and I invented no ticket, no taco. That's mine. I can't open that. Hola, Miguel.
Hola, quite tall.
Oh, I'm kicking it like a chicken.
That's a pollo.
See? Happy Easter. Easter is this weekend. That's like one of the 2 times a year I go to church.
It's there all year.
Yeah, well, I know, but don't pray on the weekend of Easter because God's busy. His son, comes home for the weekend. And he's got to hang out with him. So,
Good laundry.
yeah, he just checks his email Monday and catches up on his sins. So don't get cancer on that weekend. All right. If it's okay with you people, I'd like to sing a song for you. And if you would like, please clap along to help me with the rhythm.
The lights changed because it got dark for a second.
As though Wesley Snipes. All right. I'm gonna break it down, Mikey, if that's cool by you. Well, these people, they're just people.